Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect a Google Search Console to Looker Studio. So this is the dashboard, so we're going to begin. Here, come to the left hand panel and click on Create, and then click on Data Source. Now before we actually continue, let me explain one thing. You will first need to add your website to Google Search Console and need to verify ownership before it actually shows up in Looker Studio. Okay, but I'll show you how to connect it. Now here under Google Connectors, you scroll down, okay? Click on this one, Search Console. It's by Google, helps you connect to Search Console data. Go ahead and click on this, then click on Authorize. A pop-up will open up. You just need to go ahead and choose your Google account. So I'll choose this one right here, okay? And here, if you have sites that are connected, you'll see them right here, and you can import the data and use it as a data source, okay? And then once you select this site, you click on connect here at the top, right? Really that easy and simple.